Are you aware of supermarkets?
They're a new concept, like.
You know, the apocalypse isn't going to happen yet. You don't kind of like stockpile up and all this. You've come to UL and you've prepared for the worst.
I mean, I'm coming here from the countryside. We don't do supermarkets.
I come from Mayo. Come on, they have some of them.
What was one thing that you brought with you to college, as weird or as ordinary as it might be, but what's one thing that you brought from home that you couldn't possibly live without?
A 2-month supply of food, which...
My dad dumped a full case of shaving cream into my bag with razors.
My mom got me a printer, so I brought a printer.
Did you just eat beans for all of first year?
Basically ramen and, some beans. Soups in those, the cartons of soup. It's all gone.
Your own mug.
I think memo boards are like seriously underestimated.
Yeah.
You can't really underestimate extra blankets and extra sheets. It's just also really nice and handy if your friends need to sleep on the couch or something, you can fling a blanket at them and they're like, oh my god, you're so accommodating, and you're like, no, I'm just nice and cozy with all of my blankets, look at me.
One by one, you're going to take out something, you're both going to talk about it, and then you're going to decide whether or not it's necessary. If it is, it goes on Ryan's side, so if you do need it.
Okay,
and if it's not necessary, it goes on Ashling's side.
Do we just take out...
Take out one thing, so you can take out one thing,
Thankfully,
and then you
Ashley's
both
already
decide.
on the correct side.
Then you both...
No, I'm not. I'm the unnecessary.
Pasta, necessary. If you are like me and can only cook 2 meals, which are pasta and chicken nuggets and chips.
Nice.
Okay.
I'm going to go with this bag of penne rigatti or whatever it's called.
Penny rigatti!
Also-
That's how you call it. Penny rigatti. That's a
get it
lunch
here.
portion. That's a dinner portion of pasta.
This is necessary unless you're wealthy and can buy your lunch all the time.
Not sure if you need this because you got about 4 different places to eat on campus.
What is this? The lunchbox for ants?
If you're on a diet, this is your meal prep.
In 3rd year, I remember asking my science teacher, should I open things that mold, and he told me not to, so...
I just throw them in.
I don't know. You just say, like, if you smell mold, you could die.
That's
Oh. That's why you come to college.
Tea towels. If I was to bring one thing, I would fill this entire bag just with tea towels.
Need to clean as much as you can.
Because you don't do cleaning.
And if you run out of them, buy more, because
You need at least 10 in your household.
At
Like
least.
just get everyone to buy some tea towels the first week.
Yeah.
Same with toilet roll.
A bottle opener, keep, no questions asked.
Yep, straight up.
Necessary?
Wasn't there one night we didn't have one?
And we
You-
just ruined a cork and the bottle of wine.
But I can't remember. What did you use to open it?
A knife.
A knife.
We
Did it
tried to
actually
twist it
work?
with a knife. No,
Yeah. And
Mark
a
got it
lighter.
open with a
And
screwdriver.
a lighter. I remember a lighter. Yes, and we also tried to use a screwdriver,
Yeah.
which didn't work. So, yes.
For a bit.
How are you getting on, Shgan? No, not too bad. I'm just filming at the moment. Yeah, you can carry on talking.